Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is How to Do a Thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an active subwoofer to your Panasonic Fire OS TV. So, let's get started. From your home screen, go across to the right-hand side until you see the Settings menu, then scroll down to Display and Audio. Inside Display and Audio, you'll have different audio settings. What we're looking for is Audio Output. So open Audio Output, then on the headphone jack, select OK and connect. Now the headphone jack is a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack on the back of the TV. Now you can use this for headphones if you like, or you can change it to a 3.5 to 2 RCA output and then connect it to a powered subwoofer. So let's do that now. On the audio output mode, select TV and subwoofer. Press back. After you've done that, you can then adjust the subwoofer volume or change the cutoff frequency. At the moment, I'm just going to leave it at 0 because most of this I like to set on the subwoofer by itself. And there you have it. That's how you connect a powered subwoofer to your Panasonic Fire OS TV. If you're looking for more information, check out panasonic.com or check out some of our other how-to videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.